Let's take a look at function composition. Two new functions up there in black. F of x equals x squared plus 2x, and g of x equals 3 minus x. Now what happens if you are given a question where you have to put these together? What is f of g of x? Well, you're not going to end up with an n number. You're going to end up with an equation. And here's how you do it. I have g of x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this g of x, this piece right here, and anywhere where there's an x and f, I'm going to punch it in. So, let's just write it down again. F of x equals x squared plus 2x. So if I want to know what f of g of x is, so g of x is 3 minus x. So I'm going to write it down. Anywhere where I see an x, I'm going to put 3 minus x, because that's what my g of x is. So starting off here, I've got an x there, so I have to do 3 minus x squared plus 2 times, another x. And when I multiply that out, I end up with f of g of x. So 3 minus x squared, I'm just going to FOIL that out. I'm going to do that in my head, which is going to be 9 minus 6x plus x squared. And then the second part, I'm going to take this 2 and multiply it out. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times negative x is going to give me negative 2x. I'm going to put all those together. I can put my 6 and my 9 together. I end up with 15. I can put my negative 6x and my minus 2x together, so I have 15 minus 8x plus x squared. So f of g of x equals 15 minus 8x plus x squared. So it's just a matter of putting the one into the other. If in, let's just tuck this out of the way. If my question instead had been f of x plus g of x, that would have been a lot simpler. Because I just take my f of x, which happens to be, I'll do f of x in red, sorry, in green. F of x is x squared plus 2x. I'll do my g of x in red. G of x is 3 minus x. You're adding two of them together because that's what it asked you to do. So now I just put things together. And the only things I can put together are this 2x and this negative x. So x squared, 2x minus x is going to give me x, so plus x, plus 3. So f of x plus g of x equals this. There. 2 questions. Done.